Hi friends, in this video tutorial I am going to explain you about a very important concept of C++ language, and that is pointers versus references. I have seen many people when they came from C background, they often get confused between pointers and references. They find it almost same. But there are some differences between pointers and references, and those I am going to cover in this tutorial. The first and very important difference between a pointer and a reference is pointer can become null, or pointer can refer to null, but references can never become null. So let's take a simple example. I have a variable, say a, value is say a, character a. Then I have pointer, say ptr, which is pointing to a, which is having address of a, and then I am creating a reference r, which is again pointing to a. I hope you have seen this syntax before. If you didn't see this syntax, you need to go through some basic tutorials, but in this tutorial I am only focusing on differences between pointers and reference. I am not going into small details how to and syntax of pointers and references. So here what I have done is, in pointer ptr I have given address of a. Here I can also make it null. That is perfectly acceptable by pointer. But at the same time, if I try to make it null to reference r, it immediately gives me error. You can see Visual Studio IntelliSense immediately give me error. It is not accepting null value. So this is first difference. Pointer can become null, but references can never become null. Second difference is, you can have an uninitialized pointer. You have just declared a pointer, you have not initialized it, but you can never have an uninitialized reference. You cannot declare r, but you cannot but you have to assign some value to r, otherwise it will give error. So what is the second difference between pointer and a reference? Pointer can be uninitialized, but reference always have one reference for it. You cannot have uninitialized reference, right? Now third difference is of syntax. When you use pointer, you usually use operators like star or arrow, but with references you need not to use this type of operators. You can use it like a normal variable. So your code will look bit cleaner and your syntax is little bit less clumsy, right? So these are the differences between pointers and references. So to reiterate, if you want object which is nullable, and you want its address to be assigned in some variable, use pointer. Otherwise you can use references, because references can never become null. Secondly, if you want to make your code more cleaner and you do not have any harm like having null objects, you can use references very well. So these are the small differences between pointers and references. Though they are small, they are important differences. Hope you understand that. If you have any query, please comment it or mail me at my email address I have mentioned in with video. So thank you very much.